everyone. We are looking at 9013 on the Disney Treasure, which is an inside stateroom. And you can see how much space there is in here. It's not bad. This stateroom sleeps 4 people because there's a pull-down bed right there. And here we are on the Disney Treasure. And it does not have a split bathroom, which is typical for a standard inside room. Not very many staterooms on Disney ships do not have a split bathroom, but some do not. The standard rooms do not, standard inside, and some accessible rooms. But that's it. It's still a very nice room.